Hey folks, back in December I purchased a pomegranate from Cane Creek Meadows off Etsy, and it came and the leaves were a little yellow. It's like they were going dormant for the season, but it never really did grow this season. So I purchased another one and it was shipped on May 29. It arrived today, June 8. So let's see if it actually survived being there for like 8, 9, 10, 11 days in here, and it was boxed up the day before taken to the post office because the tracking says shipping label created. So really it's been for like a week and a half in this box. So let's take a look. Oh wow, check it out. It is still green and it's a much healthier pomegranate than the one that was shipped in December when it was going dormant. So hopefully this one will actually grow and thrive. It would be great to have a Parfianca pomegranate. But then you see this leaf here, the stem that's very light colored, probably grew while in dormant, and I may need to let this slowly air out and let it slowly get to room temperature so it doesn't just drop off all its leaves, etc. But hopefully this one will survive. I'll probably keep it in a pot and plant it next year just to make sure it's big enough to ensure it survives the winter when it drops below 10 degrees the couple times it typically does every season, or if we have a really cold winter where it drops even more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.